Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to the Canning Nana. So today I am going to be dehydrating grapes for my little adventure to take some along with me, and I'm going to take you along for the ride and show you how to do it. So I have some red grapes and some black grapes. So these are the grapes that you're going to see when you buy a box of raisins. Most of the time, they'll be a little bit smaller than this when they start, but you'll see that these resemble the raisins that you get in the store. The big difference is that these have no preservatives. So I am going to be, after dehydrating, I'm going to be food saving them and putting some in a Ziploc bag because those are not going to last very long for me. And that's how I'm going to be preserving them. Now you can put these in a glass jar, a mason jar, put the lid on and vacuum seal it, and they will stay on your shelf for many, many months and be perfectly good. And it's a great way if you dehydrate, especially if you have fresh fruit, before your fruit goes bad or goes to waste, in case you've bought so much that you're just not going to eat it, or you buy extra to have to dehydrate and make little snacks for your kids, because dehydrated fruit is awesome, you guys. So yeah, this is the best way to preserve your fruit before it goes bad, unless you do like a little compote, or a little pie or something like that, depending on what you have. And not many people dehydrate grapes, and I don't know why. Raisins, fresh raisins, they are so different than the box stuff that you get in the store. So really, really good. So this is what I have right here, and this is what I saved. So I'm going to be dehydrating these at 125 degrees for about 4 to 5 hours, and I will show you guys the results in a separate video. So for today's word of the day is going to be grapes. So if you want to be eligible to win, subscribe, hit that like button, and comment the word of the day in the comment section below, and you will be entered to win something in our 8,000 subscriber giveaway mid-November. So don't forget to hit that like button, and also let me know what you do if you dehydrate your grapes, if you make raisins out of your grapes. Let me know, because if you haven't, I would strongly suggest that you guys do this and try, especially if you have kids or grandkids. They absolutely love these, and they are so good, you guys. You'll never go back to box raisins. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to do the word of the day. See you later.